got Prodigy up next, and on deck will be Nano Light, then we'll have a stretch break. So if the Prodigy team will mic up and assemble, we ready? All right, roll it for Prodigy.
Business school taught us how to run a company or be functional in a company, and now this project is teaching us how to start a new corporation, and it's great.
Good afternoon. My name is Rafael Contreras. I'm here with Prodigy Incorporated. We are actually here to present a computer program service that actually eliminates the guesswork out of financial investing. And what can more money do for you? Is it retiring early? Is it paying off your bills? Is it starting your own business, which is why some of us are here? Financial freedom is part of the American dream. We live in a capitalistic society where our investors are actually driven by wealth and financial health. Our product can actually get us there. What are some of the problems in the market? Well, go to understand. There is no ranking tools that compares stocks together. There is not a true customized portfolio system out in the market. And information is hard to get to because it's complex to understand. Stock Prodigy is the solution to some of these problems. 4 features are ranking charts, even though products have charts against me. Stock Prodigy actually will rank a stock and give a reason why. Rank aggregation, Stock Prodigy will use Stock Prodigy will use a patented computer model that actually will not only choose a stock, but choose 6 like-performing stocks. This will give the ability for brokers to actually get information right here, right now, to give the ability to have short-term predictions for better future investment for their clients. Personalized portfolio. Even though most brokers can actually dictate the market behavior and educate their clients on market behavior, the client will have the ability to give their preferences and have their own budget given to the financial advisor in order to make a proper recommendation. Not only will we provide a great service or a great product, we have a range of services for Stock Prodigy as well. And that ranges from product support and development, a 24/7 customer service support system, a cloud-based subscription service, which will give the ability to have real-time information and on-the-fly information. We will train our clients. We'll also designate 1 client representative for each account. What's our competitive advantage? Well, we based our product based on the #1 tool out there, Bloomberg Professional. No other product on the market has on-the-fly prediction with a select history range. No other product will have the ability to have that neighborhood model that is patented. No other product in the market will rank a stock and give a reason why. And no other product will be able to give advice based on the client's actual own budget. What are the milestones for the first year for Stock Prodigy? We're actually asking for $1.6 million investment. This will cover 4 capital infusions for the first 8 months. This will cover advertising and marketing, developing our software, launching our software, recruiting 300 brokers that will actually use Stock Prodigy on a free 2-month trial. Our product will actually launch on month number 9, and our break-even point should be between months 9 and 10. Our product is only as good as our market. I know we have a good product. Marcia, what does the market look like for Stock Prodigy?
I'm glad you asked, Raphael. Thank you. Our competitive advantage gives us access to a robust market. investors want the best tool and they want to make the best return on their investment. And our product, Stock Prodigy, will put that information in their hands. Our target markets are the brokerage firms and the financial data providers. The top 4 brokers manage client assets of over $2 billion, have 20 to 20%, 25% of the market share, and hire over 54,000 wealth managers. The top 4 financial data providers have over $11 billion in market spend, and over 400,000 users use their services. What's even more exciting is we have access to an untapped market where 23% of these users share passwords. I know that's wrong, but they do it. And they also share IDs. And that equates to about $2 billion in demand. Our business model is very simple, but our business plan is strong. We will market Stock Prodigy to stockbrokers as an add-on tool because it gives them more value. Our product will launch in year 1. We know our competition is Bloomberg and Reuters, but because of the market demand as well as our competitive edge, we know we can achieve 7% market penetration by year 2 and 20% by year 5. I want to go over our financial projections real briefly. In the first year, we'll break even after our product launches. And we'll net, or in revenue, will net at over $25 million. Our financial highlights demonstrate that this is a growth company with multi-million-dollar net income by the end of year 5. In closing, I believe, and as you can see, this is a great investment opportunity. We have the right product for the right market. Investors want a better tool, and Stock Prodigy is that tool. Our company will have a high revenue potential based on our sales and market size and demand. And for an investment of $1.6 million, you'll receive a return on your investment of 175% in just year 1. Now, isn't that worth this investment? In closing, financial advisors are looking for more wealth for their customers, and it's all about change. Today, you can have that opportunity for change because we have a game changer, folks, and that's Stock Prodigy. Stock Prodigy will change the way investors invest your money, and when that happens, that will change your life, that will change your future, and your financial freedom is just ahead. Thank you.
Nice job. I'm going to give you a softball and see if you can hit it out of the park. If you ran your investment opportunity through your investment prediction engine, what would it say?
Al?
Doesn't have a history at this point. It's all speculation, obviously, because you don't have history. It's going to be a further, because it's very good algorithmic trading is where most of the action is today. It's up over 46% of the market. Well, I don't know if you can hear me on this. It's an algorithmic trading model for the business plan here in terms of the fundamental aspect of it. And as you know, today it comprises like 46% of the active traders on the market. So the algorithm being patented has a lot of potential. It isn't fully software developed, and that's where startup funds is needed to finish the software implementation of the algorithm.
Refresh my memory, please. You're asking for how much at what valuation? And do me a favor, in just a few sentences, validate or give me a good reason on why you believe that validation is so high.
We're asking for $1.6 million in the first year. That will be broken up over 4 different phases so we can demonstrate our outcomes. And we believe our valuation is that high because of our pricing model. The current competition is charging 4 times as much. And we know with our market size, as well as the demand, we believe that brokers want this tool and will be willing to pay that money. I hope I answered your question.
Percentage of company for one point. How much are you giving up to the investors? That's what they're asking.
Okay. 20% share.
On the implementation side, you your market strategy is to go after Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and the big brokerage firms. Did you all give any thought to implementing, let's assume you make a sale to Bank of America, that's a huge implementation job. How would you handle that process?
Bridget?
I think that we have, like we said, we have a training team who are going to take Bank of America through the training and implementation process. Actually, we plan on spending about 2 months on the job, giving them all this training to make sure that each and every single one can actually operate our site or access the information, so nobody will be, everybody will have access and will have a clear understanding of my product. Thank you.
Great answer.
You had said that 9 months to break even. How much money will you spend by then of the initial investment to get to break even?
About $1.5 million
Within the first 9 months?
within the first 9 months.
And how much of that is going to be spent on marketing and branding activation to reach those 4 targets?
Our marketing expenditure will be about 3% of our revenue, and our development, 3% as well.
And that'll get you to break even within 9 months?
Yes.
Thanks.
My question is a follow-up to Kevin's, and that's on the sales mix side. So effectively, it looks like this market is sort of a duopoly. You have 2 very large, well-funded competitors that aggregate up to, about 60% of the revenue in the space. So a channel partner strategy would seem to make sense in terms, and especially the amount of capital that you're looking to raise. Have you given much thought to sales channel partners that would help get this product to market sooner?
Bridget?
Yes, we put that in thought. Actually, it's part of our marketing strategy. We have a push and pull strategy that's well explained in the business plan. The initial stage, that's the phase 1, we are going to go out to the brokers to get them to purchase our product. But then the phase 2 is that we think our product will do so much well that customers and partners and affiliates who can even be our competitors will come to us for their products. So this way we form partnerships and affiliates. Thank you.
You talked about both your the algorithm model, which is unique, and you also talked about your price advantage. Which would you say is a stronger part of your strategy?
The algorithm.
Yeah, the algorithm employs a modeling technique that's called collaborative filtering. And collaborative filtering is something that firms like Netflix use, for example, where they can take ratings and use those ratings and apply them against a bunch of movies, for example, to predict their demand and the need for their particular types of offerings. The same thing will happen here with this approach here. The algorithm takes advantage of that kind of thing. And again, that takes more data, it takes time, and that's part of the development process.